Hello guys!
Welcome to our kitchen.
Today we are back with a delicious, quick and simple dessert called chocolate tarts.
Due to the decoration of this easy dessert, you can make it for yellow night and enjoy with your family.
Yellow night is the longest night of the year in northern hemisphere, which Iranians have long celebrated with their family.
On this night, Iranians read Shahnameh and Hafiz. They eat pomegranates, watermelon, and nuts.
And generally eat plant-based food for their dinner.
Stay with us. Ingredients for making chocolate tarts are
200 grams of cream, 200 grams of dark chocolate, pomegranate seeds as desired, 250 grams of cocoa petit beurre biscuits, 120 grams of butter, 1 or 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder,
melt the butter
and crush the biscuits. The butter is melted by the steam of boiling water. Mix the crushed biscuits and cocoa powder together. Gradually add the melted butter to them and mix well. Spread the inside of the dish with cling film and pour the mixture and spread it with the bottom of the glass. Squeeze it well. Put it in the fridge for half an hour. Pour the cream into a bowl. Heat it well on the steam of the kettle to make it flow. Now pour the chocolates in it. and mix well.
Remove the dough and pour the mixture of cream and chocolate over it.
Flatten the surface. Shake a little and refrigerate for 20 minutes. I remove the chocolate tart from the mold and decorate with pomegranate seeds. So chocolate tart is ready.